Hi, I'm Ross Kaplan, the development engineer for Suncore Industries. Suncore believes in offering the highest quality suspension products with many options to choose from. We wanted to introduce you to our new line of rear air shocks. For these applications, we have designed 3 models as a replacement to your old, worn out, or defective rear air shocks. First in our line is the 109G13R, a direct active OE replacement. It has been designed with OE specifications integrating identical metal components and technologies. This includes true active dampening using magnetic fluid, which is a first for the aftermarket. It is our top-of-the-line product for these vehicles. With this part, you will be replacing the same active dampening air shock that was originally installed at the factory. Our second offering, the 107G14R, is a premium passive all-metal design air shock. These air shocks have an integrated electronic bypass, and to ensure that zero suspension faults will be present. This is a popular choice for those who want to keep an all-metal design without magnetic fluid, keeping it more cost-effective. Our last option is the 109G14R. This unit is also used to convert from active to passive dampening using the same integrated electronic bypass while allowing to maintain the use of your auto leveling system. This unit uses a high-tensile composite plastic top hat and lower mounting sleeve, which is similar to our competitors' offering. This allows us to offer this product at a far more competitive price. All 3 versions install the exact same way as the factory parts already in your vehicle and carry the same Suncore warranty and support we always provide for our products. Our products are manufactured and tested to meet or exceed the manufacturer's specifications that you should expect. Visit suncoreindustries.com for all your suspension needs or ask your installer for them by name.